National Electrical Code, specifically Section 620.95, requires that the receptacle located in the elevator pit be a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI type receptacle. This requirement is applicable to all new elevator installations. Furthermore, it also applies to existing elevator installations whenever modifications or repairs are performed on the electrical system within the pit. The purpose of requiring a GFCI receptacle is to enhance electrical safety in an environment that is often damp or wet, and where individuals may be working in close proximity to grounded metal structures. A GFCI device functions by continuously monitoring the current flowing to and from the equipment connected to the receptacle. If it detects an imbalance, indicating that current is leaking to ground, it quickly interrupts the power supply, typically within milliseconds. This rapid interruption significantly reduces the risk of electrical shock. The threshold for tripping a GFCI is typically 5 mA. It's important to note that a standard circuit breaker provides overcurrent protection, safeguarding against short circuits and overloads, but it doesn't detect ground faults with the same sensitivity as a GFCI. Therefore, a GFCI offers a distinct and crucial layer of protection against electrical shock hazards. When installing or replacing a receptacle in an elevator pit, it is imperative to choose a GFCI receptacle that is specifically listed and labeled for the intended application. Ensure that the receptacle is properly grounded and that all wiring connections are made securely. The installation must adhere to all applicable requirements of the NEC, as well as any local electrical codes or regulations. Regularly test the GFCI receptacle to verify its proper functionality. This can be done by using the test button located on the receptacle itself. Pressing the test button should cause the receptacle to trip, indicating that the GFCI is working correctly. If the GFCI does not trip when the test button is pressed, it should be replaced immediately. Elevator pits are often considered a potentially hazardous location due to the presence of water, moisture, and conductive materials. Therefore, it is essential to take all necessary precautions to prevent electrical shock hazards. In addition to using a GFCI receptacle, consider implementing other safety measures, such as providing adequate lighting, using insulated tools, and wearing appropriate personal protective equipment. It's also recommended to establish and follow lockout/tagout procedures when performing any electrical work on the elevator system. This helps to ensure that the power supply is de-energized before any work begins, preventing accidental energization. Staying informed about the latest revisions and updates to the National Electrical Code is crucial for maintaining electrical safety and ensuring compliance with applicable regulations. The NEC is updated every 3 years, and it's important to consult the most recent edition to stay up to date on the latest requirements. Familiarize yourself with the specific requirements for elevator electrical systems, as outlined in Article 620 of the NEC. This article covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, disconnecting means, overcurrent protection, and grounding. Understanding and adhering to these requirements is essential for ensuring the safe and reliable operation of elevator systems. The GFCI requirement in elevator pits is not merely a suggestion, it is a mandated safety measure designed to protect individuals from potentially life-threatening electrical hazards. Neglecting this requirement can have serious consequences, including fines, penalties, and, most importantly, the risk of electrical shock injuries. It is the responsibility of electrical contractors, elevator installers, and building owners to ensure that all electrical installations in elevator pits comply with the requirements of NEC Section 620.95. By taking proactive steps to implement and maintain GFCI protection, we can create a safer working environment for those who service and maintain elevator equipment.